In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your trading history on eToro. If you want to look back at your past trades, completed transactions, and overall activity in your account, eToro makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to go. Following this process can help you review previous investments, check important trade details, and better understand your account activity over time. To begin, sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct login details and wait for the platform to fully load before moving on. Starting from the main account dashboard will make the next steps much easier to follow. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This section is where eToro organizes your investment activity, including your current positions and access to other portfolio-related information. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. It's one of the main sections used to manage and review your trading activity. After the portfolio page opens, look for the drop-down arrow next to My Portfolio. Click that arrow to open the Portfolio menu. This menu gives you additional viewing options, and it's the key to finding older activity rather than just what is currently open in your account. From that drop-down menu, select History. As soon as you click it, eToro will switch from your current portfolio view to your account history. This is the section where your past trading activity and completed transactions are displayed. Now you can start viewing your trading history. Take a moment to review the records shown on the screen. This area is useful if you want to confirm what trades you've placed in the past, monitor completed actions, or simply keep track of your trading behavior over time. Next, browse through your historical trades by scrolling down the page. You'll be able to move through previous investments and older transactions in chronological order. If you have a long trading history, scrolling carefully can help you locate specific activity more easily. As you review each trade, pay attention to the details provided. You can typically check information such as the asset involved, the trade date, the amount, and the performance of the trade. These details can be especially helpful if you're evaluating past decisions or trying to understand how certain investments performed, and that's all there is to it. Once you know where the history section is located, checking your trading history on eToro becomes quick and simple. Thanks for watching.